Hurricane Sandy thrashed North America's northeastern seaboard late Monday, leaving behind a swath of destruction and flooding, and killing at least 15 people, mostly from trees falling on homes and cars. Government offices, schools, transit systems, and businesses have closed from northern Virginia to New York. New York City officials had ordered the evacuation of more than 370,000 people living in low-lying areas, such as Coney Island in Brooklyn and Battery Park in Lower Manhattan.
I think when the President of the United States in the television is telling the people that a serious storm is coming, then we have to take it as serious as it is, probably.
The New York Stock Exchange was closed on Monday, and there was still no decision about whether trading would resume on Tuesday.